Yes, be ready. Start. The present writ petitions have been filed with a prayer for issuance of waiting list in accordance with Rule 277A of the Rajasthan Panchayati Raj Rules 1996 bracket start hereinafter referred to as the Rules of 1996 bracket close, and further a prayer for issuing directions similar to those in SB Civil Writ Petition number 2094/2019 within bracket Kuldeep Kumar versus State of Rajasthan and others decided on 25/2/2021 bracket close full stop. Next stanza. All the three writ petitions pertain to the advertisement dated 11/9/2017 in pursuance to which the petitioners herein applied for the post of teacher grade 3 level 2, although qua different subjects full stop, but the issue involved in the present petitions being common, they are decided wide this common judgment full stop. Next stanza. The facts of SB Civil Writ Petition number 16707/2021 are being taken into consideration for the purpose of adjudication full stop. Next. Wide revised amended advertisement dated 11/9/2017 applications for the post of teacher grade 3 level 2 were invited full stop. The said advertisement was issued for total 927 posts full stop. The select list was to be issued on the basis of the marks of graduation and read examination with the weightage of 30% and 70% respectively full stop. On 31/2018 the first select list was issued and candidates therein were called for document verification full stop. But after document verification only 37 posts out of the advertised posts were filled up and rest of the posts remained vacant full stop. In the circumstances, several writ petitions were preferred by various candidates with a prayer for publication and operation of the wait/reserve list in the pursuance to the proviso to Rule 277A of the Rules of 1996 full stop. One of these writ petitions being SB Civil Writ Petition number 17360/2018 bracket start Urmila Devi and others versus State of Rajasthan and others bracket close was disposed of wide order dated 7/1/2019 in terms of the judgment passed in Bhushan Kumar Pandey versus State of Rajasthan and others bracket start SB Civil Writ Petition number 14505/2018 bracket close decided on 25/10/2018 full stop. Wide order dated 7/1/2019 the respondent department was directed to upload the reserve list in terms of the proviso to close within bracket 6 of the Rule 227A of the Rules of 1996 on its website within a period of 4 weeks full stop. Further, the concerned Jila Parishads were directed to act in accordance with the provisions of the said proviso in respect of the remaining vacant seats if any full stop. The other similar writ petitions were also decided on the same terms, and the special appeal being DB Special Appeal Writ number 924/2019 bracket start Principal Secretary Education Department within bracket elementary and others versus Urmila Devi and others bracket close preferred by the state against the order dated 7/1/2019 was also dismissed wide order dated 7/1/2020 full stop. However, while disposing of the special appeal, it was directed by the division bench that the appellants would operate the wait list only to the extent of the posts vacants as on date full stop. Next stanza. In pursuance to the directions as passed in Urmila Devi's case within bracket supra, the wait oblique reserve list was issued and published by the respondent department on 14/9/2021 full stop. In the said list, names of 874 candidates bracket start equal to the total number of vacant seats bracket close found place full stop. All 874 candidates who found place in wait oblique reserve list were called for document verification, but however 381 seats still remained vacant even after the wait oblique reserve list dated 14/9/2021 having operated full stop. Therefore, the present writ petitions have been preferred for filing up of the said vacant posts with the following submissions full stop. Next stanza. Firstly, the alleged wait oblique reserve list dated 14/9/2021 issued by the department cannot be termed as select list in terms of Rule 277A of the Rules of 1996 full stop. Secondly, list dated 14/9/2021 cannot be termed to be a wait oblique reserve list 2 full stop. It was just a reshuffled result which was issued after taking into consideration the candidates who were found unsuitable after document verification full stop. Thirdly, the wait oblique reserve list could have been issued only qua the seats which remained vacant because of the candidates who did not join in pursuance to the first select list full stop. Regarding other seats which remained vacant because of the candidates who were disqualified after document verification, a reshuffled result was a mandate and the wait oblique reserve list candidates could have been adjusted against the said post. And fourthly, the procedure as adopted by the department in issuing the list dated 14/9/2021 was not in consonance with the provisions of the law, as the department ought to have first got the documents of the suitable candidates verified and finalized the select list of qualified candidates full stop and over.